I'm a funny cat, man.
Right,
Come on,
ready?
show me something, man. Show me that magic trick, man, homie.
Yes. My name's Douglas Simon, Dougie Fresh Southside, 63rd King Drive.
Okay, Dougie.
63rd King Drive. We on 63rd.
Wrigleyville's Magic Man.
Wrigleyville's Magic Man. We on 63rd and King.
He Cubs team
New
Cubs.
York City. Thank you, become my inspiration. Show me dreams to come true.
Harlem.
I'm putting Chicago on the map.
What up, Harlem?
What's your name, sir?
I'm Rain. HPL_Rain, that is.
I'm Pete Ain't Shit.
Okay, here we go. Who's the funny one out you two?
Both of us.
He the funny one.
Oh,
What you want? What you want?
Queen's the lady. Always respect the lady.
Okay.
Pull the queen out. She's gonna show you who the funny one is.
Pull the queen out.
For the queen. Let me see the queen.
All right.
It's a queen over there too, but let me see the queen right there. All right.
See the queen?
Bow.
Yeah,
You see that? Y'all see that? Bow.
I see the queen.
Bow.
I see the queen.
Bow.
Chi-Town, look at our beautiful skyline.
Chicago was popping.
That's right.
63rd and King.
Pull the
Pull the queen
out.
Pull it out. Let me see, man. Which one is the queen?
The middle.
Pull the queen
Bow.
out.
Let me get this middle one. Come on, man. You hold this motherfucker tight as hell. I can't hold it. What the fuck is...
Look. Joke's on you.
Hey. Oh, shit!